Hey, Janet Beckers here, and I have a one-word hack that's going to help you overcome imposter syndrome. Because I know what it's like. You've envisaged this beautiful business. You've envisaged this gorgeous tribe of people who you're going to attract to you. You've started building your website. You've been working through your offers. You're about to put it out there. And then this little voice starts saying to you, who do you think you are? Who are you to do this? Okay, so here is the one reframe. Whenever you hear that little voice saying this, you take control and change one word. Who am I not to? Say that enough times and you are going to start reprogramming your brain for success, because you've got a lot of people out there who need you, baby. And so let's make it happen.